Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best yoga swings and yoga trapezes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the YOGABODY Yoga Trapeze Pro Yoga Inversion Swing. The Inversion Swing assures users of great performance. It is a set that comes with feed video to allow users to get started easily. Several yoga poses can be performed with the help of the swing. It is easy to learn several sets after you get the guides from the video. Some of the benefits that people enjoy after they use the swings include back pain relief, among others. The ability to improve strength and balance makes the unit very practical in everyday life. Get the yoga swing, and it will work well in your daily life. The ability to increase strength and posture makes the swing preferable. The easy setup design will make you enjoy using it easily. There are a few steps you can follow, and it will be easy to get started. Moving on at number 4, we have the Yoga For You Ariel Yoga Swing Set. You need to get a durable swing set to perform yoga poses well. The Hammock swing comes in an easy-to-use design that makes it very practical in everyday life. People who would like to realize the best results as they perform a wide range of yoga poses prefer the swing. It is a swing that comes with wide surfaces to make it easy when performing wide flying yoga inversion poses. The comfortable design makes many people prefer it. Get easy to install yoga swing, and it will assure you great performance. Many people who are new to yoga poses prefer the unit because it allows them to learn yoga poses easily due to the guidebook's availability. At number 3, we have the Yoga Swing Pro Ariel Yoga Swing Hammock. Many people prefer the yoga swing due to its strong and durable design. You will get a yoga set that will allow you to enjoy great performance in your daily yoga workouts. The use of durable materials makes it work well when performing a wide range of yoga poses. The ultimate Ariel yoga kit is carefully built to allow users to enjoy great performance. The ability to relieve back pain makes many people prefer it. Get easy to set up a yoga swing, and it will guarantee you great performance. The premium materials make it last longer. Several design features are incorporated to make the set stand out. At number 2, we have the Ariel Yoga Hammock Premium Ariel Silk Fabric Yoga Swing. The yoga hammock allows you to enjoy a wide range of yoga poses. It is a swing set that can accommodate up to 2,000 pounds. Many yoga enthusiasts are after highly reliable swing sets. The swing set is carefully designed to make it easy for people to enjoy great moves. The use of high-strength materials assures you great safety when performing a wide range of yoga poses. The use of high-quality nylon construction makes it work well in your everyday life. Try the swing set, and it will work well to allow you to enjoy the best workout experience. And finally at number 1, we have the TESLANG Ariel Yoga Swings. The Ariel Yoga Swing allows you to perform a wide range of yoga poses. The use of durable straps makes it very practical in everyday use. Anti-gravity yoga swing set can play a great role when trying to perform a wide range of poses. The set comes in a practical design to make it serve you well as you try to perform a wide range of poses. The ability to apply it both indoors and outdoors makes it work well in your everyday life. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.